this project here. So the product on Etsy is just showcasing, at the moment, is just showcasing the PDF file or the download that the customer will get. So it's just showing that aspect of it. So now I am going to use Claude to help me design a image that actually show the potential buyer of the product what they can also get as well, which is in this case the bedtime story machine. So I just did a screen recording of uh, the bedtime story machine, and I will have Claude help me design the image itself. So this is the screen recording of the process, or the screen recording of how it actually works here. So I will go into Claude and ask it to help me design the image. So in Claude, I have the project set up here, AI Whiz Kids. So I find it's important that you have a project name and you build and chat in there, because from there Claude will know what the previous conversation is about. So in this case, I already have the chat that um, chat that is involved in the image generation. So I will go ahead and ask it to start on the image for the story time bedtime machine. Okay, I so so now let's move on to designing the image for the bedtime story machine. I have already screen record the bedtime story machine. Please come up with images that showcase that aspect of the product for Etsy. Okay, so perfect. Since you already got a screen recording, we can do two things with pull the frame. Okay, so it looks like, could you upload the screen recording or a couple of screenshots, make it easier. Okay, so here is the screen recording. Please tell me what to do. This. All right, so this is what it generated here. Let's see. I'm not too sure what's going on here. So that one. See the free tool in action. Basically, it looks like it's just screenshot a scene. And then this one, pick your choice, get your story. So pick the story here, and it generates it there. Okay, so let's see what it says. It doesn't really look too good. So I am confused on, or basically with these two images here, I cannot really tell that it fits in with the other images that we have already created. How does how does this fit in, and it does not really show the potential buyer of what they will get, how to use it, or works. It came up with, it gave me the description of the image, so with what it is, how to access it, and how to use it. So this looks a little bit better. So I'm gonna I'm gonna ask it to proceed to make the first image that showcased the bedtime store machine. Um, so I tried to do it earlier, but it got stuck. So I'll go ahead and try it again. Um, so I'll just go back and forth with Claude here, and then I will show you the end product of what um, these three images that it tells me or direct me to do here. So I'll come back and show you the end product of this. So basically it's just me going back and forth with Claude and using Canva to design the image. This is the end product of chatting with Claude. I went back and forth with Claude, and then this is the three pages that or Claude provide direction for me to do. So see how image 7, what it is, which is that one. Oh no, it's actually meet the bedtime story. So yeah, so what it is this one right there, and then the second page, how to access, is there, and how to use it in 3 steps, and which is right there. So I just told it to do proceed with 7A. This is what it came out to. This is what it generated here. So I basically went into Canva and basically duplicate that there. And the second one, okay, let's do 7B. That's what it is there, and then it built it right there. So how to access it. So basically this is what Claude came out or generated there. I just duplicated, I think it's that one right there, yeah. So it has my URL right there. So that's what I did. I just put a little extra icon there. And finally, 7C, how to use it. Basically, I just copied and paste what Claude generated, but in Canva. And there's an easier way to do this, but I already linked Canva to Claude, but it didn't come out looking like this, so it's a little bit more time consuming. Or maybe in the future I'll learn how to do that. I'll teach you guys how to do that as well, unless you guys figure it out yourself. And finally, I just downloaded the image from Canva, uploaded onto Claude, and tell it to look through it. So that's what it is. This is the end product here. All right, and I'll update that onto my Etsy store for the listing here. All right, guys. Thank you for watching, as always.